Hello ICT traders, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you one of the best ICT strategy you can use to trade in the crypto market. Now, if you are a crypto trader, this video is going to be very handy for you. A lot of you guys have reached out to me to make a video on a particular ICT strategy you can use to trade in the crypto market. So let's get into the video. Now, most of the cryptocurrencies in the crypto market are paired with the USDT. It is not the US dollar, it is the USD Theta. That is the crypto version of the United States dollar. And when you check the performance and the chart of the United States dollar and the USD Theta, they are the same thing. That means the USD Theta is pegged with the United States dollar. So everything you see the United States dollar does, the USD Theta will also do. So that is why they have a similar price action across all their crypto codes. So let me show you how to go about trading with this particular strategy. So the strategy works in similitude to the way ICT power of three concept works. I'm going to show you the hour and the time you're going to focus on trading this particular strategy. So we have basically 3 sessions in the forex market, and I'm going to bring it into the crypto market, especially if you are trading any crypto pair that has the USD Theta, which is a crypto version of the United States dollar. So looking at what we have here, the power of three concept is basically a combination of 3 price action where you see price accumulates, which is also known as a range, where the institutions gather their order before delivering liquidity to another side, and then a grab of liquidity, which is grab of orders or money, people's open interest, or what we call fake breakout, and then a sudden impulse swing to the opposite direction. This is basically how this strategy works. I'm going to go to my chart very soon, and I'm going to show you how to go about using this simple strategy. Now, this is my crypto chart, BTC USDT. I'm going to show you how exactly I use this strategy so that every one of you can use it for your own advantage. So you can see this is the BTC against the USDT. So everything here is cryptocurrency. All right. So let me go about showing you how this particular strategy works. I'm not going to go into looking for one good price action area. It works at least 70% of the time. At least 70% of the time. So the first thing you need to do is to actually select your crypto pair. And then guys, if you're looking for the best crypto exchange platform to trade with, Bybit is the best for me. I've tested them, I've tried them, I've used them. And what makes Bybit a special platform is that they also have an MT4, MetaTrader 4. You simply come to Bybit. Now, before you get into Bybit, register with my link in the description of this video, and then you're going to get a lot of bonuses by registering with my link, and then you get at least 10% discount on all your transactions charges. All right, so make sure you create an account with my link in the description, and once you come to Bybit, come to where you see tools, and then go to MetaTrader 4, where you're going to have everything in MT4, not in the crypto platform. This is going to be in MT4. It is so special and different. You just feel like you're trading in the forex market. And then if you check coin market cap, you're going to find out that under derivatives, Bybit is the second best platform that you can use for trading. You can see the maker fee is even less than the one up here, the one on Binance. So that is why I love Bybit. It's the best so far for me. And then currently Bybit is running a deposit bonus for Africans. In Nigeria, if you are going to register with my link and deposit Naira in the Bybit platform, you're going to get up to $70 bonus. It is ongoing right now, so make sure you create an account with my link, and I'm going to place the link to this particular promotion right in the description of this video, so you go through everything and read it so you can understand. I'm taking time. Let me go back to what we are supposed to do right now. So looking at what we have right here, the first thing to do is to go to the 15-minute time frame. That is the best thing. We're going to trade this like the way we are trading in the forex market. Go to the 15-minute time frame, select your pair, and then come to where you see indicators right here. Click on it and search for this indicator called Asian range and kill zones. Click on this indicator, and then this is the indicator. I don't know why this works, but I've tested it. I've seen that this is working. So you can try it on a demo account, and then Bybit has a demo account on that MT4 platform, so you can use it as a demo and practice first before you start trading live. Now come to settings, take out every single settings here except display Asian range. I don't know why it is working, but it works. So I'm gonna show you exactly how it's working. This is not a forex chart, it is crypto chart, and it's pretty much easy to go about. So the first thing to do, I'm going to backtest at least 4 to 3 of this so you can see how this is working. The first thing to do is to focus on this range. This is the Asian range. We're going to focus on similar something like this: accumulation, or what we call range, manipulation, what you see right here, and then distribution, what you see moving up there. All right, so what we have here is a range. And then after this range, you're going to see a sudden sweep of liquidity once price is outside this range. Normally happens within this period of the day. If you're trading in the London session, you know that London session starts at least, Frankfurt starts at least 7 a.m. and then London starts at 8 a.m. till almost 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So this is the period around here. If you're trading in the New York, you are going to find this around 2 a.m. New York time. Now this is outside this box, but this box should help you get it right. So you want to see a price push outside around this time, either above this range or below this range. So the first one that comes is what we're going to use. So below this range was what we saw, price push below. Can you see this small candlestick? And it traded into this previous day order block and the fair value gap right here. Right? So once we see this happen in the 15-minute, what we do is to drop to the 1-minute time frame, just like the way I used to show you the strategies I'm using, to the 1-minute time frame. Okay, now in the 1-minute time frame, you're going to focus on a short-term shift in market structure, and this is what you stand to get here. This is a shift in market structure shift right here, short-term market structure shift in the lower time frame, and then you're going to see price comes back to a fair value gap. This very big candle is a fair value gap. So your entry should be around this area. This is an institutional order flow entry drill. All right, a combination of a fair value gap and this old low. So notice how price came into half of the fair value gap. Let me arrange this properly. Into halfway the fair value gap. That is called consequent encroachment. Half of this fair value gap. It is called CE, consequent encroachment. So that is where the trade entry is going to be, right at that point, for this very big fair value gap. Anytime you see a very big fair value gap, you use the middle. And then it actually worked. You can see, let me just play it out for you to see. It worked. And now your target is going to be the opposing liquidity, just above this range. That is your target. If you can do this every day at least once, you're going to get this trade most of the time. I've backtested this and I've seen it just above here. That is your target. So this is how to go about this. Let me go back and then we're going to backtest at least 5 or 6 of these so you can see how this happens time and again. All right, so look at this one right here. Another day, you have this one happening here. Let me show you if I can take out this level. Taking out that level, which of this liquidity was grabbed first? The one below here. Okay, we don't need to worry about any bias. We just have to focus on which of those area did we see liquidity grab happen first, and then price actually traded into this area, this level. All right, so we simply drop down to the lower time frame and watch out for what is happening there. Okay, the price action on crypto is not like the one you see on a forex pair. And then you look out for a short-term shift in market structure, which you see right here. All right, which you see right at this point. This is the short-term shift in market structure. And then where is that fair value gap going to be? Now we have a fair value gap right here. This guy, or let me start from this guy, and then this guy. That is your fair value gap, and this is where your entry is right here. Your stop loss is obviously below here. And where are we targeting? We are targeting the high right here, the opposing liquidity. This is always the way you should trade this simple crypto strategy. Nothing more, nothing less. All right, I'm in the trade, and the trade is obviously moving in my direction. Let me go back to the 15-minute time frame to make it look more easier. All right, coming back to the 15-minute time frame, you can actually see that price had moved in that direction. Right here, I was targeting this opposing liquidity, and price has almost reached that level. Okay, so this is it. The replay option is delayed. I don't know why, but you can actually see how the trade worked in that manner. So we've tested at least two. The next one is here. Can you see this one? This time around, we did not have it on the downside. We have it above here. Very interesting, very interesting. So we can actually see that we have this area. So we have it right there. Price grabbing liquidity just above here and then dropping to the 1 minute time frame. Now in our 1 minute time frame, what do? We look for a short-term shift in market structure. The replay option is giving me some difficulty. I don't know why, but let's try it and see. All right, so the replay option is so disgusting. So look at this. What do we have here? Do we call this a shift in market structure? This is not a shift in market structure to me. I need to see something bigger than that. Okay, I can call it a shift in market structure because of this displacement. So this can be used as your shift in market structure because of this very big displacement candle here. So it can be used as a shift in market structure, and price coming back to this area. I'm not seeing that fair value gap I need. But anyway, we can use this case as, let's assume we did not get an entry, but you can still get an entry here. I'm just trying to make everything simple for you. You can still get an entry in this trade, but you can actually see that it worked almost like everything I was showing you. Let's take this as a wrong trade. Let's assume this was a wrong trade. That means we have two consecutive trades that we have done, even though this one can be considered as a good trade also. All right, so we have another one right here. The grab of liquidity happened here, and then chunky movement. We have another one right here. You can see grab of liquidity above here, and then it moved in the direction. So this is a very sweet strategy, guys. You can see this one, it peaked liquidity and then it started coming down. So if you go to the lower time frame, you're always going to see the entry that came in before this moving. So you can see this one also took liquidity above here and then moved in the direction. Almost 7 trades out of 8 trades that I showed you now had a perfect movement. All right, even this one grabbed liquidity and it never came above here. So that means if you have gotten an entry, it could have moved in your direction. So let's see if we have any more, except this one. This one, it took it down here and it never came back. So this is an exception. A trade did not work there. So let's check. We have gotten so many trades, guys, with this simple strategy. You can try it and then let me know in the comments if you have seen how perfect this. Okay, look at another one right here. Liquidity has been grabbed right here, and you can go to the lower time frame and see the entry that came in, because this low cannot be violated again, and price moved in the direction in that manner. So also today, the most active one is here, right here. Liquidity has been grabbed above here. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame and see if I can see an entry, and then I can take it from there. So in the 1 minute time frame, this is it, guys. Where did we see the liquidity grab? Liquidity grab, liquidity grab. Okay, this was a crazy one. If I were the one, this is what I'm going to be doing. Grab of liquidity, shift in market structure here. Shift in market structure right there. And then waiting for price to come back. Price came back to this area, an order block and a fair value gap. I could have entered here, and then price moved a little bit and stopped me out because my stop loss is obviously here. And then another one, another entry. I obviously will enter the second time, this one. Shift in market structure again, and then we have this movement down here, price coming back to this fair value gap right here. This is another entry for me. I could have entered again, and I'm waiting for price to give me the best. So this is all about this strategy, guys. Let me know if you have any question in the comment, and I'll be there to answer you. Thank you. See you in another video.